Have you been driving this?
No.
Somebody's been doing burnouts. Hey guys, what's up? Blaine with Mugg Customs here. Check this out. ArcCaptain just went full send on their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. If you've been eyeing a new welder, plasma cutter, grinder, face shield, helmet, whatever, now it's the time to snag it. This is the lowest pricing they do all year, and some of these discounts are honestly crazy for what you're getting. Everybody's trying to make this fourth quarter, so let's take advantage of these guys. You've seen me use ArcCaptain gear across almost every build on this channel by now, from the Mugg 205 Pro to the plasma machines, the grinder with the rotating head assembly, on literally everything, to the face shield I wear religiously now because it's just so lightweight. I catch myself not even using it, and it's still on the top of my big ass head. This stuff has held up to every dumb idea I've thrown at it, and trust me, we've thrown a lot of dumb ideas at it lately with this channel. The nice thing about ArcCaptain is you don't have to spend pro level money to get pro level results. I've said that time and time again. You can outfit your whole shop, welders, gloves, grinders, helmets, safety gear for way less than what most companies charge for just one machine. With these Black Friday deals, you can stretch that budget even further. So if you're trying to get ready for your next project, or maybe you're about to jump into welding for the first time, go hit that link in the description below, check out the deals, load your cart, save a ton of money, let me save you even more money, and get yourself set up for success. ArcCaptain only does deals like this once a year, and when this Black Friday Cyber Monday ends, that's it. Don't miss your shot.